Hey guys, so I'm going to show you my bike today. My frame is a We the People Arcade 2012. It's getting kind of small for me, so that's why I have my seat taller and I have this crappy stem on because it's a top load and my old one's a front load. But, so starting at the front, I have Duo Homan grips, really bad grips. I wouldn't recommend buying these at all. I know some people who had them for like 3-4 months and they end up like this. I've had these grips for 3-4 weeks and they're already done. I'm gonna buy new ones soon. I have kink bars, 28 wide and 8.25 rise. DK headset, top load, stem. Have Eastern headset, 2 spacers. Fit Shiv forks, really nice forks. Had them for a long time. Duo Stunner tires. They're old. Got to get new ones soon. And then I just laced my front wheel and my back wheel. I got Demolition Zero rim in white. Demolition Bulimia V2 front hub. And then Primo 14G spokes in red. And then I have the United Supreme seat. It's a nice seat. It's fat, cushiony. E-Clat / PC pedals. Nice pedals. Have a lot of grip to them. Don't really break that easy. These notches add a lot of pedals that just break. I have a 25 tooth Haro sprocket. Nice sprocket. Really light, nice and thick. And then my chain is a KMC Z410 chain. This is just a replacement chain. My other chain got messed up. So, yeah, and then my cranks are 3-piece salt cranks. Held up for like a year now. I think it's time to get new ones. I have some chips in the spindle. And then I have a salt seat clamp and a stock pivotal seat, post. And then in the back I have I think it's a Cinema hub, I'm not really sure. I got it off of the United Supreme package, the bike kit. That's the hub from it. It's an alright hub. The hub sound's not really all that loud, but I don't really care about that. So I have that laced to a Odyssey P Light rim, and it's a really nice rim. I got it actually really cheap from my friend. I got him for $5, and there's no problems with it. It's a really nice rim. I got, again, Primo 14G spokes in red. So that's my bike. It's really nice. I'll give you guys a hub sound real quick. It's not really all that loud. I don't know if you guys can hear it because it's not really that loud, but yeah, that's my bike. It's nice. It weighs, I think, somewhere around 24.8, 26, or 25. But yeah, it's a nice bike. I'm hoping to get some new videos up, so keep watching for those. Subscribe to my channel. Thanks.